Fourth graders, hello. Lesson 13. We are going to analyze and classify triangles based on side length, angle measure, or both. So, I'll go to your homework, which is just like your problem set. Classify each triangle by its side lengths and angle measurements. Circle the correct names. Now, angle measurements, we know, we're aware of what acute means, right? That's an angle that's smaller than a right angle. We're aware of a right angle, and that's 90 degrees, and we're aware of an obtuse angle, I always do this wrong, which is an angle that is larger than a 90-degree angle. So, these are new terms for us. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Let's take a quick look at what they are. Equilateral kind of means what you would think, that it has three sides that are the same length. Lateral actually means sides, like lado, right? So look, these are equilateral triangles. It's the classic, just same, and they actually have the same angle, 60 degrees, but anyway, that's beside the point. So every equilateral triangle is going to have three acute angles, right? And then the next term would be the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides. So this little line that they're showing is showing you that those sides are the same length as each other. So this is an isosceles triangle because same length. This side's a little bit shorter, and then you can look at the angles and say that these are three acute angles as well, right? Kind of looks like a teepee or something. The isosceles triangle, and then finally the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle has just, it has no sides that are the same length as each other. None, not the same. That's why there isn't a line there, or on this one there's a line, but they're of different, 1 dash, 2 dashes, 3 dashes. So these are scalene triangles. And this one appears to have an acute angle, and that looks to me like a right angle. So let's go back now and classify these, okay? So this, use angle measurements, circle the correct names. This is a right triangle because it has a right angle. Boom! But which one of these is it? Well, equilateral is like equal. All three sides are equal. And you can measure it if you want, but you can probably just eyeball it, and that's okay, right? That looks to me like smallest, and then that looks like the second longest length and the longest length. I believe that that's scalene. I mean, you can measure it to check, but that would be a scalene right triangle. And then here, you could check. I think that looks obtuse, a little bit obtuse. So I go with an obtuse triangle, and then I think it might also be scalene. Now this has two sides that are the same, so that's not scalene. Remember that is isosceles triangle. And I see nothing but acute angles. And this would be equilateral because los lados iguales, right? Equilateral, equal sides. And three acute angles, so it's an acute triangle. Has one line of symmetry. Is the measure of A greater, less than, or equal to C? What do you think? What do you think? I'll tell you what I think. Tell me what you think. I think you should be able to tell. DEF triangle is scalene. That means three different side lengths. What do you observe about its angles? Tell me what you observe about the angles. Are they all the same? Are they all different? Are there some same, some different? Tell me. Now you get to connect dots and create some of your own triangles, and then classify what they are. Okay, what kind of triangles did you make? This is the fun part, I think. Go for it. Enjoy. Have a great day.